quinoa and red kidney bean burgers. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 430 Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Finely dice 1 onion. Finely dice 1 garlic clove. Roughly chop 1 handful of fresh parsley. Heat a frying pan over a high heat, add the onion and garlic. Saute until golden brown. Add 1/4 cup of water to deglaze the pan. Place 1½ cups of cooked kidney beans into a large bowl and mash with a fork to resemble refried beans. Add the cooked onion and garlic, add 1 cup of cooked quinoa, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of Dijion mustard, add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Add the chopped parsley and 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour. Mix well, add salt and pepper to taste, mix to form a dough. Shape into patties. Place the patties onto a sheet of baking paper on a baking tray. Place the patties in the oven and bake for 5 minutes. Turn the patties and bake for another 5 minutes. Remove from the oven. Serve the patties with buns or as a salad.